What's up, everybody? Hang on, I'm at an intersection. Enjoying my sign that says "Kills Rat." So, I know you hear it. It's quite obvious what's going on right now with the loud pipe big rim nigga. That's my life. So, anyways, my truck, I have straight pipes on it now. You know, that's what's up, dude. So I'm gonna go through Walmart right here, and you can actually hear it. Sounds fucking tight. Straights, dude. Nothing. Straights. It'll scare the shit out of some people. It does scare them. Yeah, it's tight. Well, why does it have to be old people out? So. It's tight. Oh, my fucking back. So anyways, yeah, that's straight, so that's tight. There's no music in this video, it's kind of weird, but whatever. Sounds fucking great. Anyways, I was just going to make a video of my pipes, so I hope everybody enjoyed it. I'm going to tell you right now, it sounds better in person, because it does. It does. I mean, it sounds badass, I guess, on the video. I have no clue. There's a mini truck. Yay. Little Mazda. But anyways, that's how I'm doing it. Sounds great. So we can hear better if I do this. So it sounds tight as fuck. So anyways, I got hired at the hospital, so that's what's up. Thanks for looking up. They went on my background check, which I know I have a clean background. I mean, I didn't spend fucking a shitload of money on lawyers for nothing. Here we go, you know. Let me just accommodate for you. But anyways, yeah. Whatever. I'm gonna go home and do whatever. Alright, everybody, yeah. Did you enjoy that? So anyways, yeah, I got my razor at Lowe's from Lowe's. Let me show you what it says on it. It says scumbag. So that's what's up. So anyways, this is all noise, you know. There's no power at all. Not yet, at least. Yeah, really. Turn it off. Then you let off the gas. Oh, I don't have exhaust. What are you talking about? You know, whatever. Anyways, everybody, hope you enjoyed the short video. 3 minutes is good enough for me. Alright, everybody, much love to everybody. 2013, October the 18th, the last day of Lowe's. Yay. Yesterday I got my pipes done the 17th. 17th day. Whoop whoop. Much love, everybody. That's where I bought my truck from, the dollar store. Yay. About a year and a month ago, so I'm very happy with it. Because obviously it's a good truck. It's been lasting a long time and probably lasts longer than that. Because I mean, it is a fucking 4.3 liter. I mean, whatever, you know. Alright, everybody. Hit me up. I'm around. Yay.